This data table is a weather forecast for 15 days period in New York City. The title of the table can be a New York forecast and could be used to rename the sheet. The code of the cell is C2, and the VBA code should be written as shows on the screen. Refer the cell code C2 inside the code, replace all cell code with C2. The VBA code forces the sheet to receive what is written inside the C2. Copy the VBA code, then go to Developer tab and open Visual Basic, and paste the code inside the Sheet 1 of VBA window. Then save as the sheet as an Excel macro-enabled workbook. Close the current sheet and open the new copy as saved as macro-enabled workbook. Check the VBA code inside the Visual Basic. If the code is appear inside the VBA window, then you can test the outcome of this tutorial and see how it's work. Simply just click on the cell which linked with the code. The VBA code are going to rename the sheet according to the text which is written inside the cell. To do more test, change the sheet title as 15 days forecast, then click on any cell, then click on the text again. The sheet name will change accordingly.